many types of tower crane? 1. Hammerhead tower crane. A hammerhead crane features a fixed, horizontal jib and a trolley assembly that travels the length of the jib to position the hook. Some hammerhead tower cranes utilize pendant lines between the jib, counter jib, and the tower top assembly, while others utilize a flat top design without a tower top or pendant lines. Flat top tower cranes are especially useful in situations where multiple cranes swing through the same airspace. 2. Luffing jib crane, often referred to as a luffer. This type of crane utilizes a jib that rotates up and down with the hook fixed to the end of the jib. The hook is positioned by luffing the jib up or down. This type of crane is especially useful on tight job sites. 3. Self-erecting crane. This is a smaller tower crane that can be erected on site without the absolute necessity of an assist crane. Typically, this type of crane will extend its mast and then unfold its jib via hydraulic cylinders permanently fixed to the crane. These cranes cannot be tied to the structure and have limited hook heights available, but are appropriate for smaller or shorter duration projects where the fixed costs to assemble a more traditional tower are prohibitive.